Hey, Will here. So I had a question the other day. What would I do if I lost it all and I had to start from zero? So I figured, you know what? This is a perfect topic for a video. So that's what I'm going to cover in this video. I will give you a whole plan of what I would do if I started from zero. If I didn't have any of my assets, if I didn't have any of my lists, if I didn't have any of my knowledge or experience or anything like that, what would I do first? So let's dive right in. So first thing I would do is I would go to a site called, I'll show it right here, Shine On. And what I would do is create an account there because that's the print on demand supplier that I'm going to use. And the URL is here, ppc-coach.com slash shine on. I would go there and I would create an account. Okay. Now in this account, I can create necklaces and message cards mainly. So I think what I would start with is message cards. So this is my Shine On account. In here, I can create things like I'll put a sales page over here. I can create a necklace. So this will be necklace number one. Okay, and this might be, it could be whatever you want, but let's say it's a dad to daughter necklace. So I've got Shine On, I've got my page. My page goes to my Shine On account where everything takes place. So this is my print on demand supplier. So what I need to do is I need to get people looking at my necklace. So how do I do that? Well, I'm going to move this over here. Just kind of switch spots here. Move it way over. And now I need people to look at this. So what I need is I need traffic. So what I can do, I have options. I can use paid traffic. So I could use things like Facebook ads, TikTok ads, YouTube ads, Google search, Google display, Snapchat ads, whatever I want to do. I could use paid ads to do this, but if if I lost it all and I'm starting from zero, then I probably don't have any money. So I need to get people to my page, but I need them to get looking at my necklace that I put out on my Shine On account. I need them to look at that for free. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to send free traffic. So if I go here to traffic, I'm going to start with this, a Facebook page. Let me just drag this over here. And this is my Facebook page, so let's call this Facebook page. All right. And I'm going to send traffic here from my page. So what I'll do is I'll make a post of my necklace, and I'll post it on my page, and I'll send it to my necklace so that they'll buy it, and then Shine On will handle everything. They'll handle the production. They'll actually take the payment. They'll create the sales page, right, which is my necklace number one sales page. Then they'll take payment. They'll start printing it. They'll package it. They'll ship it. They'll update the customer with the tracking number. And if the customer has any questions, they provide customer service. So I don't even have to worry about that. So I love that. Love, 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 love it. Okay. So, I mean, Facebook, the page is great, but let's also take it a step further and let's create a group. Let's create a Facebook group as well. And in that group, we're going to post our necklace. So traffic is going to go from our group to our necklace page. So there's two sources of traffic for free. And we're not going to stop there though. We're also going to use Instagram. So we're going to go to Instagram and we're going to create an account. And on that account, we're going to post our necklace. So we'll take traffic from Instagram to our necklace. Okay, so we've got three now. Three up and running. These are all free. Okay. Finally, actually not finally, but I'm also going to use Pinterest because I can create a free account on Pinterest. And on that account, I can create a pin on my own board and I can send traffic to my necklace from Pinterest. Okay. So I'm going to take it one step further. I'm going to go to, now this one is not quite as good, but it is possible. So I'm going to create a Twitter account. I'm going to send traffic there as well. Now, I could take it a step further and I could do something like TikTok. I could create an account there. I'm going to move this over here because it's a little bit different. And I could post on my TikTok account my products, so my necklace. So I want people to go from my Facebook page, group, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter, and TikTok to my page. And then I could also do something like, now I don't have one, but you could do this, Snapchat. I could say, okay, I want them to go from Snapchat to my page as well. So now I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You know what? Why don't we do one more? Did you know you can post on LinkedIn? And it can go to your page, to your products as well. So you're thinking, that's all great. That sounds like a lot of work. How do I get traffic to these pages? Well, you need content to post on these pages. So usually viral content works best. Same with Snapchat, TikTok. you need like some viral content to post on there so that you get people going, get these accounts going, get the followers built up. And then once you have a big following, I mean, it's super simple, right? So once you have that going, then it's a matter of the best source of traffic ever for free is called an email list. So what you want to be doing is building up an email list. Oops. I don't know what I did there. Fixed it. Okay, so we got an email list too. I want to send them here. So, I mean, there's a lot of variations, but the simplest way is to take them from your social media accounts to your page, selling your necklace, or it could be a message card, or it could be a coffee mug, or it could be a t-shirt. But I mean, if I lost it all and I'm starting from zero, first thing I'm selling is a necklace, okay? So the niche doesn't really matter. It could be to my wife, to my husband, to my son, to my daughter, to my grandma, to my grandpa, to my boyfriend, to my girlfriend. That doesn't really matter. The key is getting something up. You're going to list it on ShineOn. You're going to send traffic from here. Now, what can you make, right? So let's go to a sheet and let's call this, what can you make? Because that's the important thing. So we're not paying for traffic. So we have our starting point. So let's say one sale. Well, let's do an increment of like one sale. And let's do a profit. So let's say the retail price is something like, I don't know, $49.95. And let's say the base cost of a necklace is maybe, I don't know, $18. It varies. And so our profit per sale is going to be $49.95 minus 18. So that's $31.95. Now let's go here and let's say sales and let's say profit. And then let's go monthly and then let's go yearly. All right. So sales wise, we start here. We say we're going to start with 1. Enter. And then our profit is going to be this column, 1 times our profit. Enter. And then our yearly or monthly is going to be that that number times 30 days. We'll assume 30 per month. Yearly, we'll go that number times 365 days. There you go. So now we've got that looking pretty. Now we're going to do this. This is going to be this column plus this column, our increment. Now you can make this, or I can give you a copy of this sheet too if you want, because it is fun to play with this stuff. And then for this, I'll just copy it. So I'll format this to $1, then I'll copy, then I'll paste. And that didn't work, so let's go that times, oh, that's why, that. There we go. That worked. And then it's going to be that column times 30, and then that column times 365. All right, now let's extrapolate this out so we can really see, have some fun with our numbers here, what we can do. So let's say we make 1 sale a day. Well, our profit is $31.95, okay, based on these. And these are pretty close to what actually happens. So we have to pay ShineOn like 18 bucks, but we don't pay them because they just take it out of our retail. So the customer pays $49.95. ShineOn will subtract 18. We will keep $31.95. There it is there. Monthly, that's just shy of $1,000. Yearly, that's $11,000. That's 1 a day, okay? Now, if you go up to, say, 5 a day, all of a sudden you're looking pretty good, right? Now you're at $159.75 profit per day. Almost $5,000 per month. Well, almost $4,800, I should say, per month. And almost $58,000 per year. Now, if you double that, look at this. All of a sudden, if you do 10 sales a day, you're at $319.50. You're at $9,585 per month. You're at $116,000 per year. Whoa, that is crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Now, these are all fun, but in order to get to this 10 sales a day, we got to assume that our conversion rate is not going to be like, it will probably be, I don't know, 1 or 2%. On free traffic, free cold, ice cold traffic, it's probably 1 or 2%. So if we want to do that many sales per day, let's say we want to do 10, then we have to assume maybe, I don't know, 0.01. That means that we have to get that divided by that. That means we need 1,000 people to view our products every day. That means we have to build up, going back here to the social assets, we need to build these accounts up. to a big level so that we can get like 1,000 views at a 1% conversion rate. I'll just switch that to convert. We'll have 1,000 views. We'll get 10 sales. Okay. So that means right there. Now, if you change that number to whatever, one sale or whatever it may be, let's say you want one sale a day, then you need 100 views of your necklace to get that one sale per day. Is that possible? 100% yeah. It's totally possible. The hardest part of this whole thing, oops, I stopped my timer on my phone. The hardest part of this whole thing is getting traffic. Okay. That's number one. Number two is actually coming up with a product that people want to buy. That's also not an easy thing to do because back here, this necklace has to be something that people want. So if I lost it all and I had to start again, I'd be making a necklace in a niche where I can use the gift angle and I can use a greeting card format. And it would either be a funny necklace or an emotional necklace. I would list that on Shine On. I would start setting up my social media accounts, and then I would even move down the road once I started getting sales, which I would hope would be pretty soon. I'd start posting using auto posters to post to my social media accounts, and I would schedule them all out to post every day. And that's actually what I teach. So just shameless self-promotion plug here. If you go here, ppccoach.com/group coaching program, that's what I'm doing here. So in my group coaching program, I teach people to do this stuff, to make this stuff by going here and joining. It's simple. And I do it with live training sessions. Now, not every single month is the same thing. Every month I do a new, what's called a challenge, but I've done challenges on this whole format, and then I teach people how to automate it as well. So bottom line, I mean, that's one thing. The group coaching program is awesome, works very well. You can go here, you can see more about it. But the point is this: if I lost it all and I had to start from zero, this would be my game plan. But I would not stop at one necklace. I would not stop at one post. I'd be doing multiple posts to these every day. I'd be adding in these. I would automate this part. I can't really automate this part yet, but I'm sure software will come out that will allow automation of this too, which will be fantastic. And I will create more and more and more necklaces. So I would make it a goal to be putting up like one necklace a day and posting it to all my social media accounts along with some other content. That's what I would do if I lost it all. And I know after doing that for a month or 2 months, I'll be making some sales. And then all that profit from the sales goes right in my pocket because I'm not running any ads to do it. So you can do this business, this print-on-demand business, with free traffic. I've just showed you here. It does work very well. This is what I do a lot of now too, because paid traffic is inconsistent. It's difficult. If maybe you're in Facebook running ads and you're finding, I'm doing everything they tell me to, but I'm not getting any sales. Well, the reason is Facebook ads are very difficult to run and the tracking is broken. The algorithm is broken, and Facebook ads right now in 2022 are broken. They're dying a slow and painful death. So if you're a little bit frustrated with that, you can come over here, you can join me, and we can help you out. Anyway, that is what I would do if I lost it all and had to start from zero. I hope you got some value out of this video. If you did, hit the like button, hit the notification bell, make sure you subscribe, and please do share it with your friends. So let me know in the comments if you currently do any free traffic to your print-on-demand products. Let me know. Just give me a yes or no. Tell me kind of what you do, and let me know if you're going to be implementing my little plan here of if I lost it all and had to start from zero. Let me know in the comments what you think and what you're going to do and if you're going to implement my plan. All right, have a great day. We'll see you soon.